Welcome to Review Rumble. The best light pink birthday decorations is probably one of the most enchanting and versatile choices for celebrating any special occasion, transforming a simple party space into a whimsical wonderland that radiates joy and sophistication. Imagine a cascade of soft pink balloons, shimmering streamers, and elegant banners, all meticulously curated to create a breathtaking backdrop for unforgettable memories, making every photograph pop with a dreamy, romantic aesthetic that guests of all ages will adore. Number 5. OuMuaMua Pink Gold Confetti Balloon Kit. Make your next event unforgettable with this beautiful balloon kit. It's perfect for adding a touch of elegance and fun to any special occasion. This set includes a generous mix of colors and confetti-filled balloons, totaling 62 pieces. You'll have everything you need to create a vibrant and festive atmosphere. Crafted from high-quality, thick natural latex, these balloons are designed to last. They can be filled with either helium or air for your convenience. Ideal for a wide range of celebrations, from engagements and weddings to birthdays and baby showers. Use them to create a stunning backdrop for photos and lasting memories. Get creative with the confetti balloons. Rub them to make the confetti stick for a beautiful effect, or pop them for a delightful confetti shower that adds extra fun. We are committed to providing excellent products and service. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to contact us. What we like. This option comes with confetti-filled balloons for a festive surprise. It also offers a good variety of colors and includes ribbons for easy decoration. If you're looking for a fun and interactive element for your party, especially for celebrations where you might want to pop balloons for confetti, this is a great choice. What people say. The color is a beautiful pastel pink, perfect for a delicate and charming birthday theme. The set includes a variety of decorations like balloons, banners, and confetti, offering a complete party package. The materials used are of good quality, making the decorations durable and reusable for future celebrations. Number 4. PartyWoo Pastel Pink Balloons 50 PCS 12-inch. Introducing our pack of 50 beautiful 12-inch pastel pink balloons. They are crafted from safe and non-toxic natural latex, perfect for any celebration. These balloons are designed to float for 3 to 6 hours with helium. For optimal results, we recommend filling them with helium about 1 to 2 hours before your event begins. They are the ideal choice for a pink baby shower, birthday party, bridal shower, wedding, or bachelorette party. Add a touch of elegance to your special day. Made from high-quality, natural latex, these balloons ensure safety and durability. You can trust them to enhance your decorations. To prevent deformation or bursting, please inflate them to the recommended size. Enjoy creating stunning balloon arrangements with these lovely pink balloons. What we like. These are lovely pastel pink balloons made from natural latex. They are ideal for creating balloon garlands or arches. If you are planning a cohesive pink-themed event like a baby shower or wedding and want a consistent, soft color palette, these balloons are perfect. What people say. The light pink color is very pretty and true to the picture. The decorations were easy to assemble and looked great. Good quality materials, held up well throughout the party. Number 3. PartyWoo Pastel Pink Balloon Arch Kit. Introducing a stunning collection of pastel pink balloons in various sizes. Perfect for creating a beautiful and memorable atmosphere for your special occasions. This kit features balloons in 18, 12, 10, and 5-inch sizes, offering versatility for any decorative vision. Please note, the smaller sizes may not float with helium. Crafted from thick, high-quality latex, these balloons are designed to stay inflated longer. They are perfect for creating impressive arches, garlands, and centerpieces that last. Inflate them with air for a full display lasting up to 72 hours. Their standard necks allow for quick and easy setup, bringing joy to any celebration. While these are durable, please avoid overfilling, extreme temperatures, or sharp objects. Inflate them to your desired size for a fantastic party experience. Ideal for baby showers, birthdays, bridal showers, gender reveals, or princess-themed parties. Let these beautiful balloons make your event unforgettable. What we like. This kit offers a wide range of sizes, from 5 to 18 inches, allowing for dynamic balloon arrangements. They are made from thick, durable latex and can stay inflated with air for up to 72 hours. If you need to create impressive balloon arches or garlands that will last throughout your event and want flexibility in design, this multi-size pack is the way to go. What people say. The light pink color is beautiful and exactly as pictured, perfect for a birthday party. The decorations were easy to assemble and looked great in photos. Good quality materials, the balloons held air well and the banner was sturdy. Number 2. Amandir 164 PCS Rose Gold Pink Balloons Garland Arch Kit. Introducing a stunning balloon garland kit, perfect for any celebration. This set includes a variety of rose gold, pink, and white balloons in different sizes, along with essential tools for easy assembly. Crafted from high-quality latex, these balloons are rigorously tested for durability. They can be filled with air or helium, and the included tools make knotting and assembly a breeze. Create a gorgeous rose gold and pink theme for any event. This kit is ideal for birthdays, baby showers, weddings, Mother's Day, graduations, and more, adding a romantic and festive touch. Everything you need is included to create a beautiful balloon arch. With an arch strip, glue dots, tying tool, and ribbon, you can easily bring your party vision to life. Make your next party unforgettable with this comprehensive balloon kit. It's designed to help you create a stunning focal point that will impress your guests. Please be aware that uninflated or broken balloons can be a choking hazard for children under 8. Adult supervision is required, and broken balloons should be discarded immediately. What we like. This comprehensive kit includes rose gold and metallic accents, along with essential accessories like a balloon arch strip and glue dots. It's designed to help you create a full, organic-looking balloon garland. If you want a glamorous and complete decoration set for a special occasion like a birthday, wedding, or graduation, and appreciate having all the tools included, this is an excellent option. What people say. The light pink color is very pretty and exactly as pictured. The decorations were easy to assemble and looked great for the party. Good quality materials, the balloons held air well and the banner was sturdy. Number 1. BEISHIDA 5-inch Pastel Pink Latex Balloons. Introducing our beautiful pastel pink balloons, perfect for adding a touch of charm to any celebration. Made from 100% natural latex, they are rigorously tested for quality. You'll receive a generous pack of 200 mini light pink balloons, each measuring 5 inches. This ample quantity ensures you have plenty for any event. These small balloons are ideal for a wide range of parties. They are perfect for birthdays, weddings, baby showers, and anniversaries. You can easily inflate them with air using a pump, or use helium for a floating effect. For longer float times with helium, consider adding high float. We stand by the quality of our balloons. If you encounter any issues, please don't hesitate to contact our customer service for assistance. What we like. These are small, 5-inch balloons with a beautiful macaron finish, perfect for adding detail and texture to larger arrangements or for creating delicate clusters. They come in a large quantity of 200 pieces. If you're looking to fill gaps in a balloon garland, create small accent pieces, or need a large number of mini balloons for a specific design, these are ideal. What people say. The light pink decorations were a beautiful addition to the birthday party. The set included a variety of items like balloons, banners, and streamers, making it easy to decorate. The color was exactly as pictured, a lovely pastel pink that matched the theme perfectly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.